Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Today we will start reading of chapter 1st of class 7th. The name of the chapter is Categories of Computers and Computer Languages. In this chapter, we will cover following topics. First is types of computers, second, computer languages, third, language processors. First topic is types of computers. Computer is categorized and designed according to their size, speed, storage capacity and cost. So, in this flowchart, computer categories are discussed. First type is microcomputers, second mini computers, third mainframe computers, fourth supercomputers. Let's start with our first type, that is microcomputers. Microcomputers are small in size and its cost is very less. These are basically designed for a personal use, therefore we can also call it as personal computers or PCs. For example, IBM PC. These type of computers are mainly used in our homes, schools, offices, shops, banks according to the different requirements of the users. Now, microcomputers are further categorized into 5 types. First is desktop computers, second laptop computers, third tablet computers, fourth palm top computers, fifth handheld devices. Handheld devices further divided into 2 types. First is smartphones, second is game console. Now let's start with our first type, that is desktop computer. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर को इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है कि ये आपके डेस्क के टॉप में कंफर्टेबली फिट हो सके और आप इसे यूज़ कर सको अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट. इट कम्स विद सेवरल यूनिट्स such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse that are connected to each other to serve like a single unit. All the components that are connected are held responsible for their separate functions. Second type is laptop computers. These type of computers are quite small in size and it can be easily placed on the lap. These are the battery operated computers. In the same way as you charge your mobile phone, you have to charge its battery to use the laptops. And it is portable. Portable means you can take it from one place to another very easily. But you cannot take desktop computers from one place to another quite easily. Laptop computers are expensive as compared to desktop computers. These type of computers are used by the travelers who travel a lot. They can work simultaneously. You can also fold it on the screen of the laptop when you don't want to use the laptop. जब आपको लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप इसे कीबोर्ड पे इसकी स्क्रीन को ऑफ कर सकते हो, फोल्ड कर सकते हो ताकि ये क्या है, ऑफ हो जाए और आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब आपको दोबारा ज़रूरत होगी तब आप इसे दोबारा से ओपन कर लोगे. एंड इट्स स्क्रीन साइज इज 13 to 15 inch screen. Third type is tablet computers. Tablet computers are smaller and lighter than the laptop computers but bigger than the smartphones. इसमें आपको कोई भी सेपरेट कीबोर्ड या माउस की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट यूज टच सेंसिटिव स्क्रीन for typing as well as for navigation. Navigation means moving from one icon to another icons. Tablets have 7-inch, 8-inch or 10-inch screen. Users can use it according to their requirement, that is reading ebooks, watching movies, viewing photos, browsing net, etc. Fourth type is palm top computers. Palm top computer is a small device that can fit in the palm of your hand. It is a small device that is designed according to the palm of your hand so that it can fit into it and you can operate it according to your needs. It has a similar features as that of the computer, only the difference is that its screen is very small plus keyboard is very compressed. Compressed means extra spaces has been reduced so that its size becomes small and it can fit into your palm. Some of these computers replace keyboard or a mouse with a pen. Some computer provide you a pen that can be used as an input device for typing as well as for navigation from one icons to another icons. Let's know more. Sunway Tahulite is the world's largest supercomputer. It is developed by China's National Research Center of Parallel Computer Engineering and Technology. So which is the world's fastest supercomputer? Sunway Tahulite, that is developed by China at NRCPC. Handheld devices. Devices that are small in size and can be easily held in the hand are called handheld devices. You can also carry it easily in your pocket. Smartphones and tablet computers are the examples of handheld devices. You can also call it as a personal digital assistant. It either have a touch-enabled display screen as their input-output interface or a simple display unit with a keyboard like a palm-top computers. Simple display unit with the keyboard. Next is smartphone. A smartphone is a handheld device that combine features of personal computer with other common features of mobile phone. It can be used for making and receiving calls, text messages, emailing, web browsing, capturing and viewing videos, gaming, much more. स्मार्टफोन इज़ लाइक अ डिजिटल डिवाइस जिसमें फीचर्स होंगे आपके पर्सनल कंप्यूटर के प्लस नॉर्मल मोबाइल फ़ोन. फॉर एग्जांपल मेकिंग कॉल, रिसीविंग कॉल्स, सेंडिंग टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, ईमेल, वेब ब्राउजिंग, capturing and viewing photos, videos, gaming and many more. Thank you.